Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. In this video, we'll be learning and we'll get to know about very popular and free software for your business. So you could be thinking of starting a business, what you call a startup business company. So this video could be for you, okay? So this will be the first video of a very short series, okay? So the first software application, which is free, which you can use for your business, is a text editor, okay? Text editor, and it's called Notepad++. Its official website is shown in here at the top of your screen, https://notepad++.org, okay? I will just show you the website itself. So it's this one. You can go to that website and you can download the text editor for free. So you would ask yourself, what's so big deal about this? So actually, in the IT world, this is probably the most popular text editor out there. It's totally free and it has a growing number of features. It's able to, I'll show you some, okay? So it's able to open a very big text file. If you will look at this file which I created, it is 55 megabytes. Okay, 55,000 KB is 55 megabytes. That's not a small file by any means. It's a very big file. But when you try to open this 55 meg file by a double click, it is effortless actually. You're not seeing it because it went to the right side, but here it is. Okay, so this is your very big text file. It's 55 megabytes. Okay, so there are many features that made Notepad++ an almost overnight sensation. Okay, it's able to open very big files. If you click on a word in the document or in the file, it will highlight all instances of that word. So that is very handy when you're looking for something, for the occurrences, duplicate values. So it has many advantages. You can indent multiple contiguous lines, for instance, this. No, this is it. I will remove the wrap so you can see, okay? So let's say I wanted to indent multiple lines. I can just highlight them and I can indent them, and I can even indent them some more. Okay, same thing if you are looking for when even at the bottom of the text editor itself, you'll see a couple of information out there: length, the lines, the character set, UTF-8, and this Windows CRLF is more for the end of line character, carriage return. And you could also highlight text and character, including spaces, if you're intending to count the number of characters. So it's at the bottom, it is the one labeled cell or SEL. So meaning right now, I have highlighted a total of 2,225 characters. That includes the spaces. Okay, so if I will show you, if I will highlight one, it will say cell 1. I'll highlight the creases. Okay, what else? You can create or open multiple files, text files. So if now that we're here, I can just press on Control N for November, and it will be able to create almost, I don't know what's the limit. It's just mind-blowing, isn't it? So you can also, okay, so you can close them. You can work on multiple, this is creating, but you can also open multiple files, if you can imagine. So I'll go to the very first one, okay. So that's Notepad++, and it is downloadable. I will put in the description below also a link to my playlist. I have a video playlist of tutorial videos on this matter, on this subject matter, Notepad++, and you can check that out in the video description below. Okay. So second on the list is we're talking about free software for your business, software or application or program software. So the second on the list is Office applications. Okay, so I close this Notepad++. Okay, so second on the list is Office applications. In the area or arena of Office applications, you have LibreOffice. Of course, we have the very popular, worldwide popular Microsoft Office suite of applications, which consists of primarily Microsoft Word, the word processing application, the Excel and the spreadsheet, and the presentation app, which is PowerPoint. We have an option which is free. This is LibreOffice. Libre, of course, is Spanish for free. And I'm showing you here also the official website where you can download the suite itself. Okay, so I will also show you the site itself. So I will close this, and then this is the official site of LibreOffice right here. Okay, so you download now. So the beauty of this can be summed up in two points. One is that it's free, as mentioned. The other is that it is very much compatible with Microsoft Office. So I will show you. The first one here, it's called Writer. It is the name of the word processing application. Now, first I will show you by opening a Word document. This is a Word document, the one called My First LibreOffice Doc. Okay, so I can double click on that, and then it will, because it's a docx file, by default, it will be opened using Microsoft Word. But actually, in a previous video, I have created this using LibreOffice. So I will show you. So here you can see I've opened it using Microsoft Word. Now I'll close this and then open my LibreOffice Writer, which is part of the LibreOffice suite of applications. Okay. So it opens the application. I will open the document you've just seen, which is a Word document. See, it's a Word document, but it can be opened using LibreOffice. And of course, it can be edited. Okay, so that's LibreOffice Writer, which is fully compatible with Microsoft Word. It's totally free and it's fully compatible with Microsoft Word. It's bidirectional, meaning you can have a Word document, and if you don't have Word in your office, in your home computer, you can use LibreOffice to work, to open, edit, and to save, and even to create that Word document. Conversely, you can create a document in LibreOffice, save it as docx, and then you can send it to somebody who can work on it using his Microsoft Word, no problem. Okay, that's my LibreOffice Writer for you. Okay, I'm closing this. Second in line is still in the Office suite of applications for LibreOffice. This is the official website. Second is called Calc, which is the counterpart of your Excel. Now I'll open an Excel worksheet, the one you see on the screen right now. So it opens up using Excel, no problem. Now, next is, I will show you that it can be opened also using LibreOffice Calc, which is the spreadsheet. So I will launch LibreOffice Calc, okay, and then open the one you've just seen, this one, open, and there it is. And same as in the LibreOffice Writer, you can do your thing here. You can edit, can highlight, you can change the font, same as in Microsoft Word. The interface may not be that 100% match for obvious reasons, because after all, it's a different application. But you can see that it doesn't take much to get around and get the hang of the interface, the toolbar buttons, the menu. It's very, very much intuitive. If you're comfortable with Microsoft Word, doesn't take much for you to be able to work on this pronto. Okay, so close this now. Again, the same thing goes for this calc, meaning it is bi-directional. You can open an Excel file using LibreOffice Calc. Conversely, you can create a spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc, save it as Excel, XLSX, and then send it to somebody, and it can be opened by somebody in his Microsoft Excel. It works both ways. Okay, but close this. Third, in the LibreOffice suite of applications is the one called Impress. So this is the counterpart of your PowerPoint presentation application. So first I will launch a PowerPoint presentation file, okay? But in fact, in the previous video, if you've seen it, I created this using LibreOffice Impress. So here is the PowerPoint slide or presentation, okay? But I'll close it, just, okay. And then I will launch my LibreOffice Impress, not to impress you, but to open that file that you have just seen. Okay, so I'll go to Impress and then click on this thing, this PowerPoint slide or presentation. And sure enough, it gets open. And such the same as in the writer as in Calc, you can also, same thing, you can work on that. You can edit it. You can edit it as you wish. Right? Even the shortcut keys, Control B, Control I, Control U, which are very much in use, in heavy usage in Microsoft Office applications, is also present here. Okay, and you can save it if you want. And again, it works both ways. You can open a native PowerPoint presentation using LibreOffice Impress, or the other way around. You can create a presentation slide presentation using LibreOffice Impress and then save it as PPTX. PPTX, and open it. Can be opened by using PowerPoint. Okay, so that's LibreOffice suite of applications, which is the counterpart of the Microsoft Office suite. It's totally free and very much compatible with the applications you're familiar with, which are in MS Office. That's number 2. Third in line is this video conferencing. So video conferencing, this company, the software itself, the company behind it, need no introduction at all. During the time of COVID, which is still ongoing, the global trend was to have the option to work from home. And this gave way to the meteoric rise of Zoom's popularity. Even though I know there were a few predecessors to this kind of application, I will not mention them. But still, this application, Zoom, really zoomed up in terms of popularity worldwide, especially in the corporate setting, mainly because of the offering of its free services. So you have 2 options to use Zoom's free video conferencing service. Number 1 is via an app that you can install on your desktop or on your phone or on your tablet, or number 2, by simply using their website, the website of Zoom. So this is the official website, zoom.us. Okay, I'll just show you the official website, not that one, it's this one. Right. So this is zoom.us, is the official website. You can explore it. You can get started by creating your own free account, although you can still attend a meeting set up by somebody even though you don't have an account, as long as you know the, what's that? I think it's called a meeting ID. So, but the best is for you to create your own account, the free one. More on info on that is that a free Zoom account gives you a time limit of 40 minutes. I mean, when you plan to have a video conferencing, a video call, video conferencing, it sets a limit of 40 minutes for those free accounts, which is not bad at all. So you have the option to upgrade to Zoom Pro if you want more time, but especially in a corporate setting. But 40 minutes is not bad. It's really, truly a blessing. Truly a blessing to have this kind of service free, free for anybody. Okay, so there you have it. We have talked about three free. This is just the first video talking about free software for your business. First one was text editor. That was Notepad++. The second one is this one, Office applications, LibreOffice. And then the third that we talked about is video conferencing, which is Zoom, needing no introduction. So there you have it. I hope you've learned some of these. You've already been using maybe Zoom, you've already used LibreOffice, maybe not yet. Notepad++, maybe not yet. So it's time to consider, it's good to consider these applications if you want to set up your own company. And this is just the first video. In the next video, I will share some more apps that you can leverage on totally free, something that is, you could call a godsend if you want to start your own business, because this is totally free. Okay, so thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell and spread the news. Okay, I will see you in the next video.